People are people. It's just inherent in the human, condition to wish to express yourself. From a little child who's making marks on paper, that's handwriting. It's not legible, but it doesn't need to be if a child is just in the very early stages of their life. And later they learn to communicate and make symbols that are legible and put them together into words and then sentences to what we call language. This will always be the case. People are people. My hope is that more and more people will learn the joy of expressing themselves personally and physically through the act of handwriting, of painting, of calligraphy, of all sorts of hobbies that involve human activity. There should always be time in a person's schedule, and even more than that, the desire of a person for their personal schedule to stop, get away from the digital world, to express yourself personally, individually, like nobody else can, because it's you.